Greetings YouTube, it is me, Blazing Larvesta, and for my CSCE 111 class at Texas A&M University, I am going to do a tutorial video that shows you how inputs work and as well as how if statements work. So basically, in order to get inputs, in order to get user input, you need to import this file called java.util.scanner, and then basically you need to set up a scanner file, and you can like name it whatever you want, but like when you actually want to get the input, you'll have to bring it here. So like basically, so for my case, scanner input equals new scanner parentheses system.in. And basically this value right here, user number, takes what I got from the scanner and uses it for the following if statement. And like double user number is basically like the file type. I mean the value type, like strings, integers, and doubles. Like strings are basically words and sentences, and the like. Integers are whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the like. While doubles, those can also extend to numbers with decimals and the like. So like 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, 3.4, or 3.8, stuff like that. Alright, and that's basically the gist of how inputs work. So now to run this if statement, so basically this if statement in particular is like looking for a number. So like if a number is at a certain value, then it'll print out one message, but if it's at a different value, it'll print out a different message. So basically, let's say I did like 15.7. So my value will recognize that it's a decimal number, and therefore double and go, that's a big number. But like if I were to do, say, like a smaller number like 6, then it's gonna say the number is rather small. Of course this works because the number is both greater than 0 and less than 10. But say I would input a really small value, like say negative 636, and that's gonna go, what a negative number, like the poor sap that number is. So to recap, in order to get input, you need to import this file and then set up a scanner and then set up the input here. And for if statements, it's if the input in question meets one criteria, then it'll print out one message. Of course, you can also have it do more advanced stuff, like move on to other code or show graphics and ask for more user input, in for loops and the like. But this is basically as basic as if statements can get. So if it's one value, it prints out one statement. If it's another, it prints out a different one. So anyways, that's basically the gist of how user input and if statements work in the Java language. I hope you enjoyed my video. Oh, thank you for watching. I also hope you learned something from this, and see you in my other content. Take care.